In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to set an end time for your WhatsApp poll. Let's get started. First, launch your WhatsApp and navigate to any of the conversation where you want to create poll. Once you're in the conversation, at the bottom left, you're going to find this plus option. Click on that. Different options will appear. Head over to the option poll. Now enter your question and add the voting options you want participants to choose from. Now you can customize these options, allow multiple answers and hide voter names. Then toggle on for the option, set end time. Next, choose the exact date when you want voting to end. Then select the specific time the poll should automatically log. After confirming your settings, tap send to publish the poll in the chat. Once a poll is live, everyone in the conversation will be able to see the countdown or scheduled deadline displayed directly on the poll. Participants can vote until the specified end time, and when the deadline arrives, WhatsApp automatically closes the poll so no additional votes can be cast. The poll remains visible in the chat along with the final results, allowing everyone to review the outcome even after voting has ended. So this is how you can easily set an end time for your WhatsApp poll. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.